Alright, so earlier today we unboxed this 20 ounces worth of gold here, and we ended up with 10 Canadian Maple Leafs, as well as 10 Credit Suisse 1 ounce gold bars. And I didn't get very good pictures, and this is a different location, so I'm hoping it helps out to get a better close-up of what these look like, in case you haven't seen them. Most of you that are watching probably have, I would assume. But in any event, try and give you a better look at that. And then on these maple leaves, the glisten off these is just pretty amazing. And then on the back of this, but I told you earlier that I had placed an order and only part of it came in, and then I had some more of it come in today. So we are going to unbox the whatever's in this box. I'm not sure how much of it they shipped in this one. It came in multiple shipments, but all I did was rip off the packing label, but this box hadn't been opened yet, so you're going to see it when I get to see it. Well, actually, you'll get to see it a little bit after, because I got to upload the video, obviously. So let's get to it and open this puppy up and see what we can find. I know how much I ordered, but I don't know if this contains all of it or not. There we go. Let's see what we end up with here. Bunch of packing paper. I don't think there's anything. Oh, looks like there's just more packing paper in there. I'm gonna put it in an envelope. Padded envelope, I should say. Nothing else in that. It's kind of odd the way it's sticking out the side. I don't know what we're about to get here. In a box, I doubt it's had problems, but this did come from SD Bullion. It's the first time I've ever ordered from them. The previous order that I showed you, that other 20 ounces, it came in packaged up nicely, no problems, so I was happy with it. I was happy with the price I got there. Maybe somebody cheaper out there, I don't know, but in any event, I was happy with my purchase there. Get the packing list out of the way. Alrighty, so we've got this bad boy here, and it's got that nylon tape on it that the other one had. Let's see if we can open this up without cutting myself. Pretty smart doing this right next to a knife, huh? So again, it's SD Bullion. I don't get paid from them. Matter of fact, it was the first time I ever did business with them. So, you know, if you're looking to order gold or just want to see what it looks like, I have no affiliation with them of any kind. Oh, and that nice little couple little packing peanuts on top. I hate those things, don't you? At least the paint, right? What a mess. In any event, it'll be alright. We'll get through it. I'm gonna have a mess on the table, though. Alright, so what is this? Alright, so this is the 10 American Eagles that I bought. And let's see if we can get a good view of these. Probably do a horrible job of showing it to you, just because of the lighting and not knowing exactly what I'm doing. These are my first videos to YouTube, so I'm trying the best I can. Might give me some pointers if any of you care to tell me what I might do better. But anyway, there's what those look like. Let's make sure that we got them all. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So this will be interesting. So the American Eagles, I don't remember exactly what it is. They're like 91 point some odd % gold, and the rest is silver. And then the Canadian Maple Leafs, they're 9999. The 4 nines. whatever that would be, 99.99% gold. So you can tell the difference in color, I think. I'll try and get you a good way to see it here. Can you kind of see how the one on the right is just a little coppier, and that's copper looking in comparison to the left one? And that would be, from what I understand at least, somebody can correct me if I'm wrong, that's actually the difference in gold content between the two. I'm doing the best I can. I'll try and get it out of here in a different light. See if I can come up with something better. Show it to you. Man, that's tough. My light's horrible. What if I block it like that? There you go. That's a little bit better. Sorry about this, everybody. So you can see the one on the left's just a touch more copper looking, and the one on the right's a little more brilliant. So let's do this on the back side. We'll start up here. Do it in the light, and hopefully you can tell the difference there. So in any event, you also notice that this is the Canadian maple leaf, which is 99.99%. It's a little bit smaller because they do make up for that percentage of overall weight on the American Eagle. It's a touch bigger, weighs a touch more. You do end up with 1 ounce of actual gold for it. Sometimes that's why you'll see the slight price variation between just the Canadian 1 ounce ones and the American Eagle. So in any event, I hope you enjoyed that. Sorry that, again, I'm learning this as I go, how to make these videos. See all the packing junk that I got over there. And that should conclude it. If you feel like giving me any pointers, feel free to do so. And there's 30 ounces of gold that came in today. I got some more coming, but I don't know when it'll be here since today is Friday. Thanks.